So guys, this is going to be our first session, right? So we are going to start with the basics of HTML. Okay, please open your browser, yeah, and here search for Visual Studio VS Code download. Just simply VS Code download. It's okay if you don't know about the extension, I'll guide you. Yeah, right. Go to the first link, right? Use the window, choose the window one. Yes, the downloading process will start as it is started. As you can see, it is downloading, right? After installing that VS Code, right, you have to simply open it. I'll be sharing my screen within a second. When you will open that VS Code, a window like this will be open. So what you have to do, you have to click on new file. Now, so HTML stands for hypertext markup language. It is used for creating web pages, right? So basically, why we use HTML? So HTML is used to describe the structure of a web page. If I give you an example, let's say someone is building their house, right? So where let's say where there will be a space for the on off switch, right? Where there will be a window, right? So those things are done by HTML language. So basically, let's say HTML defines the structure of a web page, right? So let's execute this code. So I'll simply go on this run and run without debugging, or you can simply click Control F5, right? So here it is showing the options where I just want to execute this. So I just want to open the web Chrome, right? So this is my heading first. This is my first paragraph. So this is how you can write something in a HTML language. I hope everyone clear with this so far. Yeah. Now tell me your doubt, Abhishek.
Sir, I have a doubt in starting from the 14th line, sir.
Okay, just a second,
Like,
please. So, Yash, I got the link. So, I have loaded the file. I've gone over here, file, right? Open a file, right? And then I selected my image. Then my image opened over here. From the image here, I just right clicked on that image, right? Let me show you. Just let me show you. Open file, and here it is. It's in document. Here the image, right? The image is opened here. Now what I have done, I've just right clicked on this and then I copy the path of the image. You can do this thing directly from the folder as well, right? SRC means source and alt means alternative text. Yeah, now tell me, Abhishek.
sir, from the 14th line, sir, like
Hmm.
in including the Google link also,
Hmm. Okay.
there,
Okay, Prem.
that this,
I'll unmute you as well. So I'm giving you an overview as well, guys. So what we have done so far. Okay. Right. So don't you worry, guys. We are taking the doubts now. So Abhishek, what we are doing over here, right? I hope you get the meaning of this href,
yes, hypertext reference.
right? Hypertext reference. So in this,
Mhm.
I've passed a link to a website,
Okay,
right? Now,
okay,
right? And I've given a text to this link as well,
mm,
right? So when I'll click on this text, it will open the following link,
okay.
right? Let me show you. Let me open the browser once, right? I hope the browser screen is visible, right? Let's
Yes,
go
sir.
with the mm, right, right. Over here, let me scroll it down, right? Here, what you can say, download, audiobooks, movies,
Yes,
TVs. These are the links, right? I've given
okay.
the link to google.com and these are the links,
Google.com.
right? And these are the links to this web page, right? The text I have given, this is a link to Google. The text is given over here is movies, TV, and celebrities. The text is given audiobook, download. Now clear with this?
Hmm. Yes, sir.
I hope there is no doubt in this one.
No, sir.
Okay, let's go ahead with this image one, right?
Mhm.
So let me take further doubts as well. Let me unmute Prem as well. Yes,
Mhm.
Prem.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, my doubt is why you don't close the BR tag?
BR we have closed here. It's just for breaking.
Sir, how to know which one is close tag and which one is open tag?
That thing you will know by the practice, right? As this thing I also didn't learned in 1 day or 1 hour, right?
Yes, sir.
So these
Okay.
things you will learn by the practicing, right? Then you will get it, like which reference or which tag looks like this, how it to close that one, right? Then you will get it by the practice.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So talking about this link. So someone else was facing the same doubt with this, right? Who was that? With the image source and the alternative text. You can also raise your hand. So I have given the link to the image, right? So you can call it link or the path to the image as well, Abhishek, right?
Mhm.
Right. And here I have given a alternative text over here, that is sunflower.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, like, is it necessary to give the alternative text?
Yeah, you have to give it. Why? So let's say you are opening a web page, right? And your
Okay.
internet is slow, and let's say your internet breaks in the between when you are loading a website. So instead of
Mhm.
those images, there shows a text always over there, right? This
Mhm.
is a Google tag or something like that. It shows every time. Instead of images, it
Mhm.
shows a tag like that, a text like
Okay.
over there, right? This is that
Mhm.
tag,
Okay.
right? And this is the part to my image. It will take this image and place it on my web page. This is what we have done over
Oh,
here.
okay.
I hope now you all are clear with this, guys.
Yes, sir.
If you still have any doubts, guys, you can ask. As I've explained it,
Sir,
Garvit. Yes.
sir, I have the doubt that like when you run this code in the Chrome, it is the image source, like the image is aligned with the Google link reference. So like why
No,
didn't the line break at that point?
it is
Means
that
in the middle.
specific point. It is randomly aligned. As I haven't given that it should be aligned over here, I haven't aligned it. So it is randomly doing that.
Okay, sir. If I just give BR at the end of this is the Google link after that like a backslash a, will that we pull that image to the next line or will it be same?
Okay, let's try it. Programming is the thing. So just practice based on today's. So you can practice all the things that we have discussed today, Faizan. So there is no need to like give you a task and all such things. You can practice all the things that I have done over here. You can practice like with the headings. You can try to create a web page on your own, right? You can try to align the images, right? Let's execute this code. Sorry, I have to close this browser first and run it. Mm. Yeah, here it is in the next line, right, Abhishek?
Yes, sir.
I hope now you and all of you are clear with all the things that we have discussed so far.
Yes,
Guys, if you have still have any doubts, we have 2 minutes left, so you can ask your doubts.
sir.
Hmm?
Large also like why you haven't like can we also align P as P1, P2 with the priority or does it only has P?
Right? So in this way,
Okay.
in this manner. If I'm showing you the
Mhm.
example, you'll get it easily. So I'm not going to provide the recorded lecture, guys. So for that, you can contact the support team, right? Right? This is going to be same. So there is no
O-
such P1, P2,
Okay, sir.
right?
Okay, and sir, the width and height we can means align according to us, right?
Yeah, right. That we'll going to see further in the lectures.
Okay. And sir, why you have given like the starting at the beginning doc type HTML starting with the exclamation mark
This
code?
one, this is the declaration of a document type that we have to define in HTML. These are the necessary things that you have to define when you are working with HTML. This closing and opening and closing tags, you have to define it.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, Abhishek.
Sir, my doubt is that, sir, like, yeah, last class, you went to the Amazon website for explaining us like what is the front end developer does or what is the back end developer does. So,
Hmm.
sir, like, you went into the desktop and you went to Amazon. So, like, going to the Amazon page, you didn't went directly. You go, you have went to the link. So, like, the
Yeah, right.
link with which is generated for the app, is it generated by a front end or a back end developer, sir?
That is basically done by the backend,
Okay.
right?
And how it is connected to the apps, like the app link and the
There are
Chrome.
APIs all over there,
Oh,
right? Okay.
okay, okay. So thank
Yeah.
you.
Yeah.